my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. All some people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So for today, I can't even say this without laughing. So for today's video, I decided I am doing a new thing called Glamour in Pajamas. Because you know what, sometimes at night, like when I have already changed into my pajamas, I get like this urge to play around with my makeup and try different looks. So I thought, why not actually just film it and see what happens? So yeah, I am totally in my pajamas and I just did all my face makeup, and I am actually going to play around with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette. I posted, no I didn't. I'll post it right here. The look that I did today with this palette, which I really liked, but it didn't photograph all that well. So I'm like, I still want to play around with it, and I had an idea to do another look, so I figured why not just film it as I do it. So let's see what happens. So now I just put my Pillowies base on my eyes, and I'm just going to go into the color Chai right here. It's not a fluffy brush. And I'm going to apply that to my socket area, right above the crease. Just blending it out in a back and forth motion really lightly. Now I'm just going to take more of that and do that on the other eye. I probably should have used a smaller brush to do this because my eyes are so small. I don't have a lot of space to work, and they're very hooded, and they're downward too. Then I just want to take a blending brush and just kind of smooth the edges out a little bit. And then I do want to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to go into the color Bybel right here, and I'm actually going to apply that to my crease. I don't watch Carli Bybel's channel. I don't know why, but I never really knew much about her. But I saw this palette, and for some reason I just thought it was so pretty, and I'm like, I really just want to get that. So I got it for Christmas, and I like it. If you guys have it, let me know what you think below. This is only my third time using it, so I don't have a full opinion on it, but first impressions, I think it works pretty well. I always do put my shadow shield on, but I didn't do that tonight. So it's looking like this so far. I think I do want to go in with the blending brush and just blend them out a little bit. Maybe bring a little bit more of Chai out on the top. Now with the pencil brush, I'm just going to go in to the color Bali right here, or Boli. That was my baby, my little Layla. She when I first got her, she didn't like really like the bed that I got her, so it was like kind of big, so I didn't have any place to put it, so I put it behind my TV. My TV's over here, and she didn't use it for a while, and then all of a sudden she started using it, and she uses it behind the TV, and that's where she likes it, probably because it's like hot. But yeah, now she like loves it, and she's been using it like that for a really long time. And I bought her a new bed so that I could wash this bed, and she doesn't like it as much. It's cute. It's a pineapple. It's kind of big, so it actually doesn't sit in here. It sits out there now. She has 2 beds because she's spoiled. But yeah, it's cute. Anyway, I'm just going to apply this to my brow bone. Like I was saying, like I don't watch Carli, so if some of these things like have a different pronunciation, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. I watched like one of her videos, and she seems like really nice or whatever, but there's just like so many people out there to watch that is like I can't watch everybody. So now I'm just going to take a small little flat brush, and I'm going to go into this red color here, Estee. My brushes really do need like a proper cleaning. Like I'll do like the spray, you know, like the and then you like wipe them off on a cloth in between and everything, but they need like a real proper cleaning. I should probably do that this weekend. And I'm just going to apply that to my, I'm gonna kind of do a halo eye, so I'm just going to apply it to the outer part of my mobile lid, and I'm just going to apply it just pretty much to my crease. I don't want to go too high. I feel like it's darker on the outside. Like the color, I don't know. Could just be me, the lighting, because I have terrible lighting. So just like that so far. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Then on a small brush, I'm just going to go into this color Bear right here. And I'm just gonna put that in the center of my mobile lid. Now with my finger, I'm just going to go into the color Move right here. And I'm going to apply that over the color Bear. Just because I do love a good shimmer. So it'll look just like this so far. So off camera, I just did my eyeliner. eyeliner on my mobile lid, on my waterline, and just applied some mascara to my lashes just because I have trouble doing that one-handed. So now I'm going to take a small, little brush, and I'm going to go into the color Steve again, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. I think I also want to go into the color Libra and put that under there a little bit too. Just to give it a little shine. Oh, that looks pretty. I don't know if you can see that green on camera, but that. And then for my inner corner, I'm just going to, okay, so for my inner corner, I'm going to go back into that color Bali, and I'm just going to press that right in there. So like that. Okay, so this is the whole look done right here. I like how it came out, but it's kind of funny. It's a look that I could have done with multiple different palettes that I own, specifically the other another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I own, which is, oh my god, Modern Renaissance. I definitely could have totally duped this look with that. But for some reason, like, I saw these colors and I'm like, I just want to try something and see. Although I like how it came out. My eye is starting to tear on this side. It's so bad in this weather. Like, it's the cold weather just makes my eyes tear. And my right eye is like the one that tears the most. And I don't know. It's so annoying because like you spend all this time doing your makeup. What am I doing to my hair? You spend all this time like doing your makeup, and to have it just like get all messed up is really, really annoying. But anyway, I digress. So this is the whole look done. I really like it. It was just something I wanted to try. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this first edition of Glamour and Pajamas. So anyway, I will of course list everything that I'm wearing on my face like I always do, as well as my Instagram and Twitter handle in case you are interested in following me there. I post looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think that they are totally, totally adorable. So if you like this video, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you don't want to do neither, that is totally fine. I will still send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way, because thank you for just stopping by. And anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic night, and from one makeup lover to another, see you soon. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.